Hey guys, little update after a few weeks, I would say, of holidays for us. So it was nice and welcome. But it's not the concern. I'm happy to share with you tonight the fact that this tank survived to 3 weeks. At the beginning, it was planned maybe few days less, but at the end, we change a little bit the plan and we stay even longer out of here the apartment, letting all these guys alone, I would say, with the automated tank. So as you can see, the fish are here, and this is a good aspect. We will check in detail if everybody is there. Maybe some are a bit less, maybe other are newcomers. You will see a little surprise when you come back to the tank. The first point that I would like to share and remind you, this is a monitoring aspect. It's very important, and this time, one more time, I had a interesting experience, unplanned experience. It was a failure of mine, as usual, and hopefully I was able to successfully fix it during the holidays, and you will see what it was. And the first aspect who did help me to solve that, this is of course the monitoring. Here a little aspect, this is in the webcam. I get the information that the pH successfully maintained itself around 7. I would say thanks to the portion of tap water. I put 100 liters of tap water above 400 liters of osmosis water with some minerals. So it's a nice info. I can rely on this stabilized or buffered pH, I would say. After that, if I check two other webcam, this is this one, nicely temporarily installed, as you can see here. Tac. It's not fixed at all. And the second one, this is internal one. This is a sump one, and this one did its job very well, I would say. Without this guy, I wouldn't have been possible to fix the issue, and I'm pretty sure I would have some loss in the discus. And you will understand a bit later why or what did happen. I guess now I will let you guess for the next video what did happen. I will show you the video who helped me to find out and maybe to open my eyes and my ears on an issue that I really have to fix quickly. So, by the way, let's check a bit the fish. Is everybody here? Yes, everybody is fine. I would say, look, a big head like this guy. So yes, this one is a bit skinny, but it was already skinny. This is one of the two wild. This one is a wild skinny, and this one very skinny. I have to check, and maybe some medicine could help. Not sure about that. He's eating, of course, some food for the L catfish, not for the discus, but the discus eat quite everything. So some guys little bit disappeared. The Cardinalis, as you can count, we have few less, and I guess you can easily understand who took some of them during the night. Discus are not sleeping during the night. You can see they are quite active a bit hunting the little fish like the Cardinalis. This is why you always see them in a group away and not at all mixed with the discus. Cardinalis instinctively know that they are kind of predator. After that, important, this is also to check if all the catfish are here. The catfish in the big tank, like these guys, and everybody is there. L46 are there, the 236 are there, for example this big guy, and on the other side you will see one adult. It's a sub-adult turning adult, and I guess this is a male. in the caves. And as you can see here, all the little guys are here. I will show you. Once a day, this auto feeder is giving such amount up at 8 in the evening typically. And all the little, and in this tank you have maybe, I don't know, 20, 30 little L catfish, L 333, but this is a 3. I don't understand. I don't remember. Sorry, guys. The proper way to say it. And L201. This is a big spot version. So it's right now all the juveniles that we have in this growing tank swimming in the main tank, because I haven't installed as it was before the extension. I used to have some other tank under this one, for example, typically. And after that, I was talking about maybe some new fishes, and you will see it's a good, nice surprise. Here you can see 236 RB line. You can see also I haven't cleaned at all the glasses, and same times they didn't get any lightning, just one little LED for the night. So it's a bit dirty, but this is we are talking about 3 weeks, zero maintenance. Nothing has been done on the tank. So I'm pretty sure it would be quite interesting for a lot of fish keepers to see a tank running alone this way. Tomorrow I will share more explanation about what did happen during these 3 weeks, and also I will try to do some water analysis and to tell you the result. Oh, a nice 333, as you can see here. So, by the way, as you may have seen, a little hair is going here. The nice surprise when you come back after holidays, this is to get some new eggs. So this is they are hatching right now, and it was in fact the discus who showed me, because they were disturbing the male 333 over there, and the male was struggling to keep the little larva swimming in the cave, inside the cave, and some of the discus just grab some caviar and eat straight all the little fishy going outside of the caves. So it's cool. Some new, it's always cool when you come back from holidays, you have some new fishes, and you have all the big fish still there. If you are wondering how much food is there, I will try to show you. This is a mix of little granulate, and on the other way, on the other box here, nearly empty. Sorry for, yeah, you can see this is for the L catfish, and this is some pellets. So 3 weeks is fine, and it's also because I prepare this to fulfill, in fact, the auto feeder in case. So let's share with you a little frozen food feeding session that they were waiting, I guess, since a few weeks. So at the beginning they won't jump maybe very quick, depending which one. This is my method to give Artemia. I already told you, I really like to unfroze them in the water and to clean it, to get to keep in fact the heavy Artemia and to not pollute with other elements that won't be used by the fish, ingested by the fish. I don't think it's very useful. So As you can see, the skinny one are the one eating. It's a good sign, meaning that if he has some parasite or any disease, nevertheless, he's eating. So it's not a fish in a state with a non-optimistic future, I would say. It's just I have to take care, and maybe it's a little bit picky. You can see Catfish 333, very happy to get some Artemia as well, and under here, they really love it. After that, if you want, I can check with you the state of the sump. Up, this is a water link detector, very useful. This time it didn't have to do anything. It was another sensor who put me in trouble, I would say. The paper has been changed before the 3 weeks, and this is a big 100 meter of paper. And thanks to this webcam, I can see that the paper did its job very well until it did stop during a few days. And there is a special reason for this. After that, if you want to see the water level here, 3 weeks, and yeah, maybe 30 liter, 25, yeah, 25 liter has been gone away with evaporation. This way. So, to finish this already long video, I will share with you the trouble that I had. The trouble, let's say, what put me on a way to fix it. So it's a video that I'm recording with the camera. Sorry for that, guys. Not editing yet. And I will ask you just try to hear it. So I had some help during the holidays, some nice monitoring of the fish and the aquarium. And 1 week ago, I received this video. As you can see, water is missing here, and you can hear the pump in the sump. And when you hear that, and you are not at home, you know that you may get in big trouble. Because no water circulation mean no aeration, means these little guys won't last so long, and they will have just to go over a few days. After that, I will lose them. Not talking about the eating aspect of the water, it's already an issue, but it's more oxygenation, because I don't have the light. I just have natural light on very few, quite nothing of plant. So at the end, you really have to react. And I will explain you in the next video how I did solve it remotely and with a bit of luck, I would say. But it's also thanks to some monitoring aspect and remote control aspect. So that's all for the day, guys. Sorry for the long video. I'm just happy to share that they survived. No, for me, fish keeping is not to play with the life of the fish, to be clear. This is just that fish keeping still have to do some progress. What you can see here, this is not at all the average aquarium. This is an example or a demonstration that it can run autonomously without killing the fish if it is well equipped and well designed. But right now, most of the time, sadly, 90% of the time, 50% of the time, let's stay optimistic. 50% of the time, the tank is maybe not this way set up, and holidays are often synonym of new fish to start the school year instead of trying to keep the fish over the years. So, That's all for the that's all for the day. Hope everything is going fine on your side, and let's check in the next video what did happen really, and especially how I did fix it remotely without being here. So see you. Ciao.